Okay, we are inspecting the main sewer line at 9385 Readcrest Drive. What you saw just now that's the city sewer connection, city sewer tie-in. So this line, correct?
Yeah, it's liner.
The pipe was lined. It was perma-lined. That's what you see on the monitor on the screen now. So the entire 6-inch pipe was perma-lined to prevent any root intrusion and any future issues on the line, on the sewer line. Our point of entrance is a 4-inch cleanout, an ABS cleanout, a black plastic cleanout sticking out of the ground. We're approximately 16 feet from that entrance, from the 4-inch cleanout. Alright, so that's where the liner begins. That's it. From that point on, it's all line all the way to the city sewer connection. Okay, and I continue to pull the camera back. We're almost out of the clean out. That's it. That's our point of entrance, the 4-inch pipe. Okay, stop with the recording.